Oh my golly. Have you seen this as I'm seeing it? My LinkedIn notifications are running amok. I've got notifications for any and everything that LinkedIn can think about that is showing up in my notifications. And it's driving me absolutely bonkers. So I decided to spend a little time to figure out what's going on and what can we do to help our LinkedIn notifications to stop running amok. Well, it starts right here. So Chuck Shaver, Hillary, Susan, Wendy, they're all good people, but I don't necessarily need to get a notification / an alert every time they do something. And if you look right here under the three dots, the magic's always under the three dots. You click on that, change notifications. I can go, oh, look, I can say I no longer want allow notifications about Hillary. I can turn that off. I can go up here to Chuck's, hit the three dots, change notifications. I can go, you know, Chuck's a great guy, but I'm not in that space. I don't need notifications. Furthermore, this is where that is coming from. Allow notifications, updates from your network. That's what's putting that in there. LinkedIn has added that notification and then also given us the ability to parse out individuals from this notification by turning off Chuck. But I can turn off the whole thing. Boom. Now, I will no longer get notifications about updates from my network. Now, down the bottom left says, for more options, go to connecting with others. Let's close this down and go see under View Settings. Here's Notifications. Oh, look, connecting with others. So I can get notifications if I wanted to, allow connections related notifications. Here's updates. You can see I've turned that off. Invitations to connect. I don't need a notification about that. It's in my invite to connect. Turn that off. I've already got it all for email. I can go down here through each one of these that are not off. And I can make the decision. New followers and subscribers. What's that going to say? Look, it could send an email, could do a push, but it's in my app notifications. I'm okay with that. Here's the key. The key is really right here. If you want to manage your notifications, you want to stop them from running amok, you need to go to Settings, go to Notifications, and go through all 13 of these primary notification options and make a decision which of these you want enabled, which one of them you want turned off, which ones of these you want to send a push notification, an email notification, a pop-up notification, and so that you can manage them so that the notifications suit your needs. Our LinkedIn notifications are running amok, predominantly because LinkedIn is adjusting how this thing works and has added new features, and by default turned them on, and we need to come back and adjust them accordingly. Hey, I'm Teddy. I love LinkedIn, even though my world's changing significantly, and I want to help you make it work better for you. Have a great day.